Welcome. I'm glad you're here. You don't need to do anything right now. You don't need to focus. You don't need to try. This time is for rest, for slowing down, for sleep. Take a slow breath in and gently let it go. Again, in and out. Allow your body to begin settling. There is no rush, nothing you need to hold on to. If today felt long, that's okay. If your mind still feels busy, that's okay too. There is no need to fix anything right now. Just allow yourself to be here, in this quiet moment. Notice the surface beneath you, supporting your body, holding you comfortably. You don't need to hold yourself up. You are supported. Let your shoulders soften. They can drop slightly, releasing any tension they've been carrying. Let your jaw relax, your tongue resting easily, your face becoming calm and still. Your eyes may already feel heavy. If they're still open, that's fine. They can close whenever they're ready. Your breathing begins to slow, naturally, without effort. In and out. Each breath signals to your body that it is safe to rest. You are not required to think. You are not required to plan. You are not required to stay alert. If thoughts appear, simply notice them. You don't need to follow them. You don't need to push them away. Let them drift past, like distant sounds fading into the background. Your arms feel loose and heavy. Your hands warm and relaxed. Your legs feel supported, comfortable, at ease. There is nothing you need to do with this feeling. Just allow it. With every breath, your body sinks a little deeper into rest. The world outside can continue without you for now. Nothing requires your attention. This moment is just for sleep. If you hear soft sounds around you, you don't need to listen closely. They can blend gently into the background. You don't need to stay awake for my voice. You don't need to remember these words. You can allow them to fade, becoming quieter, less important. Your body already knows how to sleep. It has done this many times before. You don't need to guide it. You don't need to help. Simply allow yourself to let go. Your breathing is slow, steady, easy, in and out. Any remaining tension can soften now, melting away without effort. Your thoughts become quieter, more distant, less defined. The space between them grows wider, calmer. You may notice moments of stillness, moments where nothing needs to happen. These moments can grow longer, more comfortable. You are safe here. You are allowed to rest. Sleep does not need to be forced. It arrives gently when the body is ready. If sleep comes now, that's perfectly fine. If it comes a little later, that's fine too. There is nothing to control, nothing to manage, just rest, just breathing, just being. You don't need to listen anymore. You don't need to stay aware. You can let go completely now. Sleep can come softly, naturally, in its own time. Good night.